Well, we'll get a good look of whatever engine this is. This will be NS24X. We're staging here for a triple meet. We're still going to have it, but it's going to be it's going to be a delayed meet. All right, it's got thank you to all our railroaders. Huh. Never seen this. Y'all have a safe trip, 28X. In all likelihood, this train will stop because they got to knock off a handbrake. The defect detector at Zion Hill caught a 600-degree axle on the very rear of the train. So they're thinking it's a handbrake.
Park it right here for the side. I need about another 5 cars. 4 more.
And he's going to stop very shortly. We're going to keep this video rolling, actually. See what they find.
Very easy, that'll be good. Percent, conductor 154, 124X over. Conductor 154 to the 24X. Yeah, that was a handbrake you had on there. Alright, would it be too much to ask if you would check the next car just to make sure that she didn't, not her, but the utility 52 didn't leave 2 unloaded? Yeah. Thank you. Just while you're right there, just look. I didn't think to tell her to look. She was sort of new.
It was a handbrake.
Wayside answering time.
24X Wayside. They found a handbrake rear car of the train. Utility person left the handbrake on the train.
Well, I need to understand, I found a handbrake in the rear of the train. Email told him to knock it off. He did not telling the dispatcher upon the job briefing. When we knocked the handbrake off of the ticket, any exception to the wheels, to see any flat spots, any train buildup or anything else?
No, just a handbrake. No other exceptions.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you again, 154.
24X, yeah, the handbrakes are off in the rear 2 cars.
Okay, thank you. Hey, what's your name? I don't know you. What's your name?
Decker.
Chris Taylor, Georgia Lewis. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Looks like they're getting ready to move. Here they go. So they're back on the move again.
Charlotte Dispatch, over.
24X, dispatch.
Yes,
Ma'am, found a handbrake on that rear car. We're on the move again. No exceptions to any other cars, wheels, bearings, anything. Everything's good. We're leaving.
all right, Ed. Do we have Wayside on here? Yes, ma'am, I am here. They are releasing the Wayside. There's no further restrictions on. Okay, thank you. I'm going to show you releasing us Wayside at 10:13 in the a.m. Thank you so much. You guys have a good day. Right, thank you. Come on, Eric.
X is on the move. Over.
Right, appreciate it.
All right. Huh. Taking them long to get up to speed, is it? What you saw in this video as well was remarkable cooperation and teamwork there between the crews of 24X and 154. Made the job easier for everybody instead of having to get Wayside out here or maintenance or whatever, track people to do what, take hours to do what could have been done in 20 minutes. Well, we got to see a couple things this video. We got to see the honoring the Railroaders commemorative locomotive, 40, I'll forget the number. Then we got to see 24X stop and reset a handbrake. There's 283 right there. They're really late. Maybe they'll make it down to Spartanburg, hopefully. All right, 24X, NS 24X north by Cherokee.